How to search for stock photos or add stock photos in your Canva design. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add stock photos in your Canva application without using third-party applications or leaving your Canva application. So basically we will be using the built-in Canva elements option in order to add stock photos into our Canva design. So currently, as you can see that I have opened a presentation design in my Canva application, and now we will be attempting to paste photos, or let's say stock photos, into this design. So for example, I am designing a presentation and I want to add some photos. So what I can do is simply click onto this elements tab over the left hand side and then search for that particular photo that I want. So for example, let's say I want a photo or a picture of a car. So let me simply click onto this search and then let me search for cars. And then I'm gonna hit the enter button. So here I've typed cars and I have hit the enter button, and here you can see a number of images that appear. Now from here, since we want to add stock photos, simply click onto this photos option and it will open the images of cars which are available in the Canva library. And for example, let's say if I want to add this particular photo right here, I'm gonna simply click onto this, and here you can see that the image has been successfully added into my presentation. And now for this image, I can customize it as I want. In order to resize, I can use these corners of this image in order to resize it as per my preference. I can also add multiple images if I want. So for example, let's say this photo as well. So here you can see I have added this photo as well, and I can add as many as photos as I want. Also make sure that on the photos where there is this pro tag, that means that this is a premium image and you will require Canva premium subscription or the Canva Pro subscription in order to use these designs. So apart from that, you can also have different options, like for this picture in particular, I can click onto these three dots, and from here I can also choose to star this image so that it also gets saved and I can use it at a later time. So if I click onto this star tab, you can see that this photo has been successfully starred and I can use it at a later time if I want. And so that's how you can add stock photos into your Canva design. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.